What's up, guys? So I got my part for my water separator for the Excursion, okay, or Ford. Here is the part. Hope you can see that. Let's see. It is from Dorman, part number 904-202. And let's just take a quick look at it here. Comes with the screws. And I was worried about this at first because everything I've seen, I tried to look to see what was resistant to diesel fuel, and what I found was that the Viton O-ring was the best for this application. But it's got these green O-rings. I'm not sure what the composition is of it, but that's what the part came with. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to install this one here with these O-rings. So anyway, let's go get this thing installed. go as far as I can, tightening these up finger tight with my tool. And then I'll put my wrench on them, my ratchet. Still able to get some turns on this. Just like that. 4 of these. Let's see. Got the bottom ones a little tighter. Because if I put my wrench on it right now, I can't really start ratcheting it. It won't ratchet. It just basically sits there going back and forth. It doesn't tighten up the screw. Alright, getting there. It's about as tight as I can go by hand. Last one. There we go. Okay, that's about it right there. Get my ratchet on it now. Let's see. This is a super tight fit, but so just one more note on this. So the lever's on there now. I got these on tight. I got my hose on there, and I just unplugged this one too. It kind of helped me get in there and tighten things up. So I'm snapping this back, and all you have to do for this one, and there's a little tab right here, just push on this, push on this side over here, and then on the side where your turbo is, and then just pull down on it and it should come out. This other little connector gave me a little space too, so I'll go ahead and plug that one back in. So that kind of gave me a little room to get in there too. And now I'm just going to put the tighten this filter housing back on. Make sure my O-ring is on there, and it looks like it's on there pretty good. Oh, just a little bit of crud in there. Get that out. And I'll get my housing back in there. Housing cover. Tighten that back up. And let me get my wrench to put on here and give it a snug. Let me go get that real quick.